Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make some awesome fluffy slime. Before you watch this video, please like and subscribe, and go follow Marble Slimes on Instagram for more info about our slime. Hope you like the video.
Okay, so these are the ingredients. So you'll need Elmer's glue, some school glue. I recommend using Elmer's. I've never tried Crazy Art, but their clear glue takes a lot of activator to activate it. Next, you'll be needing some Barbasol shaving cream. That makes it fluffy. Next, this one is not optional, but the shaving cream is optional. Sta-Flow liquid starch. This is your activator. A bunch of activators will be in the description box. And also, I'm hopefully going to have an activator tutorial coming soon. And then next, what you'll be needing is a bowl and a mixing utensil. So let's get on with this tutorial.
Okay guys, so I just added in my Elmer's school glue, and the next step is to add in some shaving cream. This is the ingredient that will make it fluffy. Okay, first one, shake it up, and then add in some. Now mix it. And then your fluffy slime base is done. Your base is usually your glue. So yeah, next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your activator. Like I said, I'm using liquid starch today. So you're just gonna add it in little by little. So yeah, just slowly add in your activator. Okay. So it's already kind of coming together like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna slowly keep on adding it in. Okay, so you're just gonna keep on adding in your activator, and whenever it's not sticky, then you know to stop adding in your activator. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna finish getting off this, I guess you could say residue stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna let that off right now. I'm just doing this. Okay, so now your fluffy slime is 100% done. It feels so smooth, but do not activate it too much, because then it will be very hard and not fluffy slime. I guess you could call it a dough if it wasn't soft and smooth. So yeah. So here's some ASMR.